Picture windows. Birmingham homeowners choose often start with panoramic window installation and large fixed windows that flood rooms with natural light windows and clean sightlines. In picture windows. Birmingham projects, residential picture windows and modern picture windows are ideal for living rooms, dining rooms, and open concept spaces where a wide view matters most. Custom picture windows in Birmingham can be sized for contemporary home windows, sunroom picture windows, and new construction picture windows, giving properties in Birmingham, Alabama a refined look with flooded natural light windows and low maintenance performance. Birmingham picture window replacement is one of the smartest home improvement choices for older properties needing better comfort, better curb appeal, and better efficiency. Home window replacement with energy-efficient picture windows, insulated picture windows, and low-E picture windows helps reduce heat transfer in Birmingham, Alabama while improving year-round comfort. Replacement window specialists and local window installers often recommend sealed window units, weather-resistant windows, and double-pane picture windows or triple-pane picture windows for homeowners seeking Birmingham energy-efficient window replacement and a long-term return on investment. Residential picture window installation. Birmingham projects are especially effective for homes that need larger glass expanses without sacrificing performance. Birmingham residential window installers frequently upgrade outdated frames with window frame replacement and window glass replacement to restore clarity, reduce drafts, and improve structural reliability. For homes with aging seals or damaged sashes, Birmingham Window Glass Replacement Services and Birmingham Window Frame Replacement Company options can support a full modernization with modern replacement windows. Birmingham, Alabama homeowners appreciate for style, function, and durability. Noise reduction picture windows. Birmingham buyers often request are a strong fit for properties near busy streets, commercial corridors, and high-traffic neighborhoods in Birmingham. Insulated residential windows. Birmingham homeowners install can significantly improve indoor quiet, especially when paired with double-pane windows. Birmingham, Alabama or triple-pane window installers. Birmingham Solutions. Energy-efficient picture windows, noise-reducing windows, and sealed replacement windows. Birmingham, Alabama projects are popular for families who want calm interiors, better comfort, and high-performance window systems in Birmingham. Custom picture windows offer the flexibility needed for unique architectural layouts, and Birmingham vinyl picture windows are a practical choice for many residential upgrades. Vinyl picture windows resist moisture, are easy to maintain, and work well for weatherproof picture windows and weather-resistant windows in Alabama's changing climate. For homeowners comparing materials, replacement window specialists and local window replacement contractors. Birmingham often recommend vinyl for value, while insulated picture windows and low-E glass windows. Birmingham, Alabama deliver strong efficiency for picture windows. Birmingham properties of every style. Broken picture window installation. Birmingham, Alabama services are essential when glass damage, seal failure, or storm impact affects safety and appearance. Window glass replacement and broken picture window installation can restore large fixed picture windows. Birmingham, Alabama without requiring a full remodel, while window frame replacement company services help correct rot, warping, or structural wear. For many homeowners, new picture window installation in Birmingham becomes the better long-term option when repeated installations no longer provide the performance expected from sealed window units and insulated residential windows. Birmingham. Sunroom window replacement. Birmingham homeowners' schedule often centers on maximizing light without overheating the space. Sunroom picture windows, panoramic window installation. Birmingham, and large fixed windows are ideal for bright rooms that need visible openness and reliable temperature control. Natural light window solutions. Birmingham can include custom picture windows, energy-efficient picture windows, and low-E picture windows that allow abundant daylight while helping manage solar gain in Birmingham, Alabama home window replacement projects. Modern picture windows work beautifully in Birmingham residential settings where clean lines and open views define the design. Contemporary home windows, modern replacement windows. Birmingham, Alabama, and picture windows. Birmingham, Alabama are often selected for remodeled homes, additions, and upscale renovations. Birmingham vinyl picture windows and insulated picture windows pair well with contemporary exteriors, while custom picture windows in Birmingham allow homeowners to match proportions, trim, and architectural character with precision and style. Local window installers in Birmingham understand the importance of fit, finish, and performance in every residential picture window installation Birmingham project. Birmingham, Alabama home window replacement often includes assessing existing opening sizes, recommending replacement window specialists, and choosing between double pane picture windows, triple pane picture windows, or low E picture windows based on energy goals and budget. Birmingham energy-efficient window replacement services are especially valuable when homeowners want weather-resistant windows, noise-reducing windows, and long-lasting sealed window units. New construction picture windows and residential picture windows remain popular for additions, expansions, and remodels where designers want maximum daylight and minimal visual obstruction. Large fixed windows and panoramic window installation can transform kitchens, family rooms, and sunrooms into brighter spaces with a stronger connection to the outdoors. In Picture Windows Birmingham, homeowners often combine home window replacement with custom picture windows, modern picture windows, and energy-efficient picture windows to create a polished, high-value upgrade that supports comfort, beauty, and long-term performance. Picture Windows Birmingham projects are best handled by local window replacement contractors Birmingham who specialize in precise installation, detailed measurement, and durable product selection. Birmingham Window Frame Replacement Company Services, Birmingham Window Glass Replacement Services, and Birmingham Residential Window Installers can all contribute to a smoother experience when upgrading to insulated picture windows, double pane picture windows, or triple pane windows. Birmingham, Alabama residents trust. Whether the goal is broken picture window installation Birmingham, Alabama, Birmingham vinyl picture windows, or a full picture window replacement, the right team can deliver weatherproof picture windows, sealed replacement windows Birmingham, Alabama, and high-quality results that enhance every home in Birmingham. For homeowners seeking picture windows Birmingham, large fixed windows and panoramic window installation Birmingham deliver flooded natural light windows, wide views, and a clean modern look. Residential picture windows, contemporary home windows, and new construction picture windows are ideal for living rooms, dining rooms, and open concept spaces throughout Birmingham, Alabama. Custom picture windows in Birmingham can be designed for exact dimensions, making them a strong fit for unique walls, sunroom picture windows, and natural light window solutions Birmingham homeowners want for brighter interiors. Energy-efficient picture windows are a smart choice for Birmingham energy-efficient window replacement because they help improve comfort and reduce heat transfer in hot Alabama weather. Low-E picture windows, insulated picture windows, sealed window units, and weather-resistant windows all support better performance in homes across Birmingham, Alabama home window replacement projects. Double pane picture windows Birmingham, Alabama and triple pane picture windows from Triple Pane Window Installers Birmingham can also help with temperature control, while noise-reducing windows and noise reduction picture windows Birmingham create a quieter indoor environment. Birmingham Residential Window Installers and Local Window Replacement Contractors. Birmingham offer home window replacement options that include vinyl picture windows, modern replacement windows Birmingham, Alabama, and custom picture windows for both remodeling and replacement needs. Replacement window specialists can handle residential picture window installation Birmingham, new picture installation in Birmingham, and panoramic window installation Birmingham for properties in neighborhoods throughout Picture Windows Birmingham. Whether you need Birmingham vinyl picture windows or custom picture windows in Birmingham, professional local window installers provide tailored solutions. Broken picture window installation Birmingham, Alabama is essential when cracked glass, damaged seals, or frame issues affect safety and efficiency. Birmingham Window Glass Replacement Services and Birmingham Window Frame Replacement Company support everything from window glass replacement to window frame replacement, helping restore sealed replacement windows Birmingham, Alabama and weatherproof picture windows Birmingham. If a seal fails or a pane is damaged, residential picture window installation Birmingham experts can replace components quickly and improve performance with insulated residential windows Birmingham and low-E glass windows Birmingham, Alabama. Sunroom window replacement Birmingham and sunroom picture windows are popular upgrades for homeowners wanting more daylight and a spacious feel. Large fixed picture windows Birmingham, Alabama work especially well in sunrooms, great rooms, and patios, while flooded natural light windows can transform darker spaces into welcoming rooms. New picture window installation in Birmingham gives homes a fresh look with modern picture windows, residential picture windows, and energy-efficient picture windows designed for Birmingham climates. Double pane windows Birmingham, Alabama and triple pane window installers Birmingham are a strong match for homeowners looking for durability, comfort, and long-term value. Birmingham picture window replacement services can include large fixed picture windows, insulated picture windows, and sealed window units for improved efficiency in homes across Birmingham. From picture windows Birmingham replacement to broken picture window installation Birmingham, Alabama, Birmingham residential window installers deliver weather-resistant windows, low-E picture windows, and home window replacement options built for Birmingham, Alabama living.